intermittent fasting, extended fasting, alternate day fasting, 1 meal a day fast, the beef and butter fast, so many fasts. But what about the egg fast? In this video, we're going to go over how to do an egg fast, what the rules are, and what the benefits are. An egg fast is a short-term 3 to 5 days usually fast that consists of eating eggs, butter, and in some cases cheese. But who am I anyway? Well, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Talita from Shrinking with Keto. And throughout my ketogenic journey in fasting, I have lost over 190 pounds and reversed my type 2 diabetes. Now, throughout this journey, I have helped plenty of people reach their goal, and I hope to do the same for you. The egg fast was developed by Jimmy Moore in 2010, and it's a form of a restricted ketogenic diet, a way of eating that is high in fat, moderate in protein, and very low in carbohydrates, such as the macros in an egg. Basically, the macros of an egg consist of 62% fat, 35% protein, and only 3% of carbohydrates, making them the perfect ratio for a ketogenic diet. So what is the purpose of an egg fast? Well, the purpose of an egg fast, like any fast, would be to put you in a metabolic state of ketosis and assist you with weight loss. But an egg fast seems to be very successful in breaking a weight loss plateau. Some people use the egg fast in order to ease themselves from the standard American diet into ketosis to begin with. But I prefer the beef and butter fast in this case. According to Jimmy Moore, the egg fast has many rules, so let's go through them one by one. You need to eat whole eggs, yolks, and whites, and they are the main source of fat and protein. Next, you must consume at least 1 tablespoon, or the equivalent of 15 grams, of butter or any other fat that is healthy, of course. You must eat 1 whole egg within 30 minutes of waking up, and you must eat an egg-based meal every 3 to 5 hours, regardless if you're hungry or not. You can eat up to 1 ounce or 28 grams of full-fat cheese for every egg that is consumed. You must eat at least 6 whole eggs a day, and the eggs must be local eggs and pastured whenever possible. You should stop eating 3 hours before bedtime, and finally, you can drink up to 3 diet sodas a day, even though less than 1 is actually recommended. Now, these are the most common rules, even though people tend to alter them depending on their needs. For example, somebody that has an inflammatory response might omit the cheese completely and do the egg fast only with eggs and butter. Somebody else might be including cheese, and in that case, even heavy cream, because it's more than 90% fat. Now, these modifications depend solely on you and what your goal for the egg fast is. If you're doing it for weight loss and just to ease yourself into ketosis, then I suggest you do add the cheese so that it can help you during this transitional period. But if you have done much stricter fasts and you're doing the egg fast solely for the purpose of breaking a plateau, then just go with egg and butter. But before we move on to the benefits, let me interrupt you for a second. If this is the first time you're seeing this pretty face, let's make sure it's not the last. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon so that YouTube can let you know every single time I make a new video for you. And please feel free to ask me anything you want down in the comment section below, and I will try my best to answer every single one of your questions. Now, let's move on to the benefits of an egg fast. Even though an egg fast has not been scientifically tested, from a lot of testimonials, these are the following benefits that people seem to find by following the egg fast. Number 1, it may reduce appetite. Now, this makes complete sense because when you do enter a state of ketosis, your appetite severely decreases. Also, by eating a high-fat diet, which in this case we have the egg that is 65% fat, and we're adding a tablespoon of butter to it, so this is very high fat. Fat keeps you satiated for much longer. Eggs are also very filling because they're high in protein, and an egg by itself actually consists of a whole meal. Even though there is no research on the egg fast itself, there's plenty of research on high protein diets. Research indicates that high protein may raise levels of hormones that promote fullness, such as peptide YY and CCK, while reducing the levels of the hunger-promoting hormone ghrelin. Now, we already mentioned the weight loss, which is initially why many people go through the egg fast. But what we didn't mention is that the egg fast targets specifically, again, based on people's testimonials, belly fat. the visceral fat that is very hard to shift. And finally, another benefit of an egg fast is that it can reduce insulin resistance. Now, by eating a high-fat diet, you are reducing your insulin responses as fat has almost no insulin response. If you want to know more about ways to reverse your insulin resistance, all you got to do is check the video above. Of course, with everything positive, there is a negative, and it seems that in some cases, an extended egg fast of people eating over 6 eggs a day and taking it to 5 days might kind of cause some constipation. Now let's look at a sample menu of what you could actually have in a day following an egg fast. For breakfast, you could have an omelette made with 2 to 3 eggs and cooked in 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. For a snack, you can have some cheese, the equivalent of what is allowed based on the eggs you have already eaten. For lunch, you can go ahead and make 2 to 3 deviled eggs by using mayonnaise, which is a fat. And for a next snack, if you need it, you can go ahead and have another 2 ounces of string cheese. Finally, for dinner, you can have 2 to 3 fried eggs, again, fried in butter or even in olive oil. And if you really need to, have some more cheese. I know it sounds boring, but hey, we're talking about an egg fast. Egg, fat, maybe some cheese. If you got any value out of this video, I will kindly ask you to press the thumbs up button, as this helps YouTube take this content and push it out to more people that need it, just like you. So there you have it, what an egg fast is, how you should do it, and why you should do it. And as always, chin up, or you know by now, the crown slips.